Today we're pouring concrete at our Bellevue Hill site. Got the concrete truck out on the street. There's a concrete pump out on the street and it's pouring concrete into this pipe so that we can pour concrete into these pier holes. We've spent all week digging pier holes, big holes in the ground which have to be filled with concrete today. Got 24 of these big holes in the ground. They had to go down to rock. Rock was about 2 meters deep. And the concrete is going into the holes now. And Ben is using the vibrator to vibrate the concrete so it gets spread in and around all the reinforcing pipes.